Everybody, welcome back. Today I'm planning to play Cooking Forever. So basically it's a game where people play. And so today I'm finna play. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. I bet you might love it. So basically we're playing a game. So we're on level 1 right now. Our goal is to make $90. So I guess, okay, ooh, that's nice. A burger and a bun. So if he goes all the way down, he won't give us no money. So the meat is cooking. Wait. Then I put it on the bun. And then I put it to him. And then I keep on cooking. And then I keep on cooking. Like you really want to do. It's like a Easter day. Okay? Okay, he wants a drink. Okay. So basically, we have to wait for the drink. And give him the drink. And then he gives us the money. And then I just keep on doing it until I get money. Then here you go. Cooking, cooking. So I have to wait for the meat and wait for the drink. So the drink is out here. Somebody might ask for it. He wants a burger, okay? You want a drink. Okay, so we got the drink, we got the burger, got the drink. You want a drink and a burger, okay. Pap. Pap, pap. So we have one more day. I think we have one a little bit. So she wants a burger and a drink, just like the customer that we just gave. Wait for the drink, you give me the drink, I give you the burger. Have a great day. You want a burger. Okay. So we're going to give him a burger. Okay. Hurt him. Here's a drink. Sorry, it's taking for a long time to cook. Hope you have a great day. Our goal is to make 100. Our goal is to make 90, but we have the 169. So a reward. New wager. Okay. Yeah, you got 329. And then it's time to go play. So since we got 3 stars, so Coca-Cola 150. Okay, so we're gonna buy it. Level 2. Our goal is to make. Your goal is to make 100. So that means below 100 or like up 100. So we're gonna have to make it. Thanks. He wants a burger. I have to wait for the burger. Oh my god, the burger's already cooking. Okay, you want a Coca-Cola. So we got 29 right now. We need to make some more money. Have a good day, sir. Basically, I really want to make a goal of 1,000. Wait for this burger to cool down. Okay. Have a great day, man. I'm so pleased about this game. This is a good game for playing people. Oh my god, that thing is already done. That thing is fast. A burger is finna come up next. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so, okay. Okay, so, okay, she wants a burger. Oh my god. Drink. No problem. Okay, so we're waiting for a little bit. Yes! Okay, so we made 100. We got 4 diamonds. And we got 4. Yay! Good job. This is So the next thing we're gonna buy, since I don't think, let's buy a. Okay, so we can't buy that. Let's see. 400. That would give us 9. I don't think we should buy stuff, right, guys? We should just save our money and get to 1,000. Your goal is to make 110. So we're gonna have to make 110. Probably it's gonna be a long, long day. Oh, I was like, please, I was like, you want a drink? I thought I was gonna give you a drink. I was like, okay, listen up. People are gonna come fast, but it's gonna be coming. Here's a drink. Have you a good day? Here's a meat. Okay, here's a drink. Don't be upset, please. I'm gonna get what you really need. Here's your burger. You have a good day. Our goal is to make 110, so that means we have to make 160, I think, or something like that. Wait for the burger. Oh my gosh, she wants a burger. Oh my god, I gotta start. Please, you want? Okay, here you go. Have a good day. I'm sorry, you're gonna have to wait for you. What you really need. Okay, so we are 124. We have to make all the stars to get a munch. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, I'm done. The thing is, who asked first? Have a good day. Your Coke is coming up right up. Okay. We have one more customer that we have to serve. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay. Let's go. Lay. Let's get it too. So first of all, we need to make a lot of money. We got so many stars. We have been doing a good. Let's see. Let's get a hot dog. We might need a hot dog. I don't know. What is this? A food Walmart. What is that? Okay. Thanks. I'll take it. Okay, so we're going to the next and see what it does. I do not know what it... Okay, there we go. This sausage is cooking. Flavor. So it's still no flavor. What or sour? Waiting for a customer. Okay, so basically, okay. If you actually burn it, you can throw it away, but that means you have to give it more money. Excuse me, guys. Sorry. Okay, so I completed the level. And I got 562. Woo woo. Now I can buy it. Yes. Okay, so what I was supposed to be buying? Forgot. 400. Okay. Now we got extra. We got 3, guys. 3 if we run out of time. Your goal is to make 150, so deliver in bread, crazy, as you can. Crazy, crazy, yes we can. Sway, produce your better roll, man. Cause you got it, rock it, pin, deliver in bread, flying crazy as you can. Booty kick it, body catch it, but you better say, booty kick your body, but if you really wanna say, I wanna get to 13, I'm gonna be done. Deliver in bread, flying crazy as we can. Booty kick your body, punch it if you really wanna say, deliver in bread, beyond. Delivering bread, flying crazy as you can. Booty kick your body, punch it if you really want to say it. I wish you get out. Oh. Thank you. I please rate us like okay. No thanks. 200. So we did amazing. Whoa, guys, we got 784, and I'm hoping. Okay, I do not want to buy nothing. I don't want to buy that. No. Okay. No, I'm not buying that. Definitely not. Okay, so sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I didn't really want to buy that. Your goal is to make. Let's get started. Goal is to make 160. That means 200, I think. What you want? Please, hey, may I help you? Well, can I assist you if you really want? I'm not a bitch, you. If you really assist you, if you really don't want to say, I might just do. Yeah. Okay, what would you like today? A hot dog, really? A hot doggy dog. People like my hot dogs. Should have did a hot dog. Dang it, I'm bad. So you want your hot dog? Take your hot dog. I'm gonna wait until all of the money gets mixed up. Here, dude. Have a great day. Delivering bread. I'm not. Oh, I forgot. I'm so crazy. I cannot touch it. Flying crazy as we can.